support tujiwe His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni.
We have repaired the road from Tororo to Mbale to Soroti to Lira many times. Now recently we started working on the Mbale, Budadiri, Namagumba, Narugugu road. The one we are going to do now, new ones, are Nabumali, Butareja, Namtuba road, 90 kilometers. The money is available for that road. Mbale Nkokonjeru road. That one is a short road, it is 20 kilometers. So in the coming government, this is what we are going to work on, to maintain the 79% already with water and extend to the 21% without. But coming to the water for production, there is Wabukasa Communal Valley Tank, then there is a Wabukasa Solar Powered Irrigation Scheme, then there is a Nankusi Solar Powered Irrigation Scheme, and then there is a Namatara Irrigation Scheme. Mwanyala kimilimo. Mwewere kuwagira NRM. NRM oye. Mbale oye.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.